Cats are benign. They should be loved. Yes, some people may not like cats. It's your choice, but still, at least treat them nicely. Do not hurt them. Cats have feelings too. They hurt and they can cry. People may not notice, but it is the reality. Take note, people. There are many kinds of cats abusing nowadays.
This scene is talk about a student who tired and get disturbed by a cat. So tired, I really need some rest and hope nobody will disturb me. Hey, what are you doing here? Go away, I hate cat. Oh, this cat. Push. Push. I told you to go out, right? Serve you right. Shoo, shoo.
This scene is about a male student is doing his assignment and got disturbed by cats.
Oh gosh, what are you doing here? Can't you see I have a lot of work to do? Out you go!
This scene tells about the three of cats approach a room to get some food. Hey kitties, come here. Have your meal. Hey Kira, what are you doing? Stop doing that towards cats.
I don't like cats.
I know, but even if you don't like them, leave them alone. Don't disturb them. They need to live and survive too.
I don't care.
This scene is about a cat got disturbed by two boys who are playing football at the field.
Hey bro, come on, throw me the cat. Alright. I got you, little thing. You play better than a ball. I'm here, pass it to me. Okay. Oops, it drove into the drain. Really? So disappointed. It's okay, leave it there. I dislike injured cat. Let's continue with playing the ball and wait for the next kitten pass by.
All the five cats, each other from one scene, gather all together and have a chat among themselves.
I am sad. A girl beat me just because I approached her while she was sleeping.
Me too. A boy kicked me just because I approached him while he was doing his work. Why all humans are cruel?
No, not all humans are cruel. There was a girl willing to feed me and cat four. We were hungry, so we were happy to have a meal. But,
Suddenly, a friend came and took our food. We didn't get to eat even a little bit. It's so sad.
sisters, brothers, what happened to me hurts even more. Two boys were playing balls. But when I passed by them, they took me and replaced the ball with me. One of them unfortunately threw me into the ditch, but they left me alone there. See my body, it's hurt a lot.
Dear human, please stop cats abuse. They need to live too, or at least space to live. Please.